cloud above, the sun is shining down. What a pretty day. So sick of this summer heat, I can't beat away the haze, the rays are giving way. And spending all my time having conversations standing next to you, hey, but I don't really like the summertime. And as you're pitting on the cat, you said such a daring thing right from under your breath. And as I get it right away, you tried to taste it in the end, jumping right out in front of a traffic light that poured the shade of red, bright red, crashing in and breaking you to bits. That truck heard a scream a little bit too late, blood dripping everywhere, choking, you smell of here and breathing a couple beer, just can't take it. Are these lies that you just mocking me? What you see is exactly what you're gonna get. And with the blue sky here, singing crickets run, fall right back into another dark sleep. Sitting up in my bed, I could hear ticking clocks. The shock will mock my ever-ringing head. Look to see the time. August 14th at 12, something new, and I don't see a cloud above. The sun is shining down. And yet I hear the cry of a cricket singing only in my head. Hey, but I really have to wonder why. Cause in the dream I had last night, we sat in the same old park we are sitting in now. Hey, I think the two of us should leave. But stepping slightly off the path, their heads turned up to the sky, and we're keeping point, struggling to keep away a scream, stabbing holes and splitting you into the beam, made it seem as if all straight from the sky, ringing in a wind chime and shaking, a passing bullet filling the air until they hit those park trees. Are these lies that you just mocking me? But you wish you were asleep, but it's not a dream. Vision I put away, keeping my thoughts at bay. Swear you still know what keeping such a dark smile. Endlessly, I see that overheated haze, and again, not laughing or repeat on through the days. You've been dying for the past 10 years. We are trapped in cycles, and the end is never clear. But a story is a story all the same, and today, like any, has an ending, so to say. Far away and out beyond that scorching summer day. Crashing in and hitting